If you watched our last video, you'll know we've started a 6,000 kilometer road trip through the US. Our first stop is in Granby, Colorado, staying at a luxurious Sun Outdoors resort. In this video, we'll be hiking in Rocky Mountain National Park, exploring the resort, and touring in a unique vacation rental right here on the property. Another beautiful day here in Granby, Colorado, and it feels really nice to be here at this resort, and we're going to be here for another week, enjoying the surrounding area, enjoying this resort, enjoying family time, and just settling. We did a lot of driving to get here. We were driving like every other day to get here, and that's hard. That's hard on us and our bodies, and it's hard on our daughter too, and our dog. We're all kind of stuck in the car. So we're gonna get out and move our bodies and explore. Today we're gonna go for a hike. Rocky Mountain National Park is really close to here, so I've never been to that national park. I'm excited to go. I think there's a waterfall there and just be amongst these beautiful mountains.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
I turned off the camera and then I turned it on again, and I wanted to say just how thankful I am that we're able to live this lifestyle. I know a lot of people in the world are locked in, or haven't traveled, or haven't explored, and haven't had any adventures, haven't had like great bonding family time out and about. Us having this Airstream and being able to work remotely and travel and explore, I feel very thankful that we have the ability to travel right now, and I don't take it for granted. I really don't. I thought that was important. Just a little moment of gratitude that I felt in my life, and I wanted to share it with you. Anyways, let's get on with our day. A quick 30-minute drive from the resort, and we're in one of this country's most beautiful national parks, Rocky Mountain. Great for day hikes, family picnics, wilderness camping, climbing, stargazing, and landscape photography. Not to mention, the drive itself is worth the visit. Rocky Mountain National Park is over 260,000 square miles of protected wildlife, featuring mountains, forests, fresh rivers, and an abundance of wildlife. For those on long road trips, visiting national parks is the best way to stay active and exploring these lands while making memories at the same time. stay right here. On these little rocks. Right here. Right there. Good. Nope. After a day of fresh mountain air and warm sunshine, the whole family was ready to head back to our Airstream Luna for a good night rest. Because tomorrow is another day for more fun and exploration. Good morning! Yesterday's hike was a ton of fun. Really beautiful, amazing to see those mountains and the lake, and it was just nice to get out with the fam. And this morning we're having breakfast. So what do we got here?
Making a tofu scramble.
Nice.
Yeah.
Mashed up tofu.
Got lots of spices. Nutritional yeast, peppers, kale coming up. Yum.
And it's gonna taste like an omelet.
Like a scramble.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
We got some delicious berries. There's always a ton of fresh fruits and vegetables in this place. What's going on in here? Saturday morning cartoons?
No.
No? It looks like it.
This is the nicest thing anyone's ever done for me.
I miss Saturday morning cartoons. But I couldn't choose what I wanted to watch. I just had to turn on the TV and whatever was on Nickelodeon or whatever channel is what I had to watch. The plan for today? Not sure what the plan for today is. The weekend has started, so that means that this resort is going to have a ton of activities planned for families, for couples, wine and painting. There's going to be crafts for the kids. There's going to be live music, so we're just going to enjoy this place as much as possible because it's really a resort. Like, there's tons of stuff to do. Okay, I'd like to take a moment to point out that Kristen makes phenomenal breakfasts. Kai's eaten berries like every day of her life, and our bellies are always full of fresh, healthy options to fuel our mornings.
Is it good, Kai?
Wow.
So colorful, huh?
Yeah, look at this spread.
Breakfast is my jam.
But what's
Oh, my peanut butter. Oh, my peanut butter jelly.
on my peanut butter jelly? On my peanut butter jelly? On my peanut butter jelly? What's this one?
That's dill.
Ooh.
Dill is like one of my favorite herbs. Nana grows it in her garden. It's really good. You've had it. You like it. Yeah, there you go. It's really yummy.
Do you like dill? Yeah. So good.
My healing gets peppers.
We're just surrounded by mountains. Being full-time RVers means we get to experience incredible destinations around the country while having the comforts of home. But if you don't have an RV to bring, you can stay at one of the many unique rentals available on site. At this location, you can stay in luxurious cabins, cottages for the whole family, Conestoga wagons, which totally suit the vibe, and our personal favorite, Airstreams. That's where we're headed right now. These Airstreams come fully equipped, so you can move right in and enjoy.
Right behind me is a brand new Airstream, and you can rent one of these out. We like to refer to it as Luna's brother, or Kai does, and it's pretty sexy. And I mean, I might be biased, but this is the best way to get the RV glamping experiences by staying in an Airstream. So let's just go take a look inside, because I'm really excited, and I don't want to talk anymore. I just want to go see. Let's go. Come on, Kai. Luna's brother. Woo! What do you think, Kai? This is definitely new. It even has a new smell to it. Overhead compartment. That is
Guys.
luxury. We do not have that. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, show me. Whoa, big fridge. That's pretty nice. Oh, that feels really good. And a freezer. That is great. There's a nice flat screen TV, lounge area that turns also into a bed. Lots of storage space. Lots of storage space.
Here.
What's in here, Kai? A bed! This looks like a double bed or twin bed. There's a nice flat screen TV, windows, overhead storage. There's side tables too for whatever you need by the side of your bed. A book, water. And it looks like there's a shower and a bathroom. They're separate, so it's pretty nice. Look, nice, a Dometic toilet, tons of storage space, blow dryer, like everything you need to have a really good glamping
I'll
experience.
come here.
Kai's really excited. Where are we going? Got a shower, got a Sia.
Hey.
This Airstream does not come with Sia, by the way.
I may not come with the Airstream, but what does come with it is access to the resort, including bowling, an arcade, swimming pool, basketball and pickleball courts, a general store, arts and crafts for the kids, and a private beach. That's exactly where we're headed next. And 10 points if you can spot Luna.
We got our golf cart packed up with everything, it feels like, including our lunch. We're gonna go to the beach and have a picnic right now. And the beach isn't that far. It's actually right there. And it's very busy right now, which I don't blame it because it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day to spend some time at the beach and go for a dip.
Beach festivities have begun. It's packed today. I haven't seen it this packed in a few days. I guess because it's a weekend. And people are out having fun, families are together, dogs at the beach, people stand up paddleboarding, people on little rafts. They're just enjoying family time together with this incredible backdrop. We got all the snacks.
All the snacks. I'm a
We
snack
got beautiful salad. We got some pizza, crackers, hummus.
Blueberries.
Nice.
What is it, Kai? What do you see?
I'm getting fishes. We some fish.
Whoa.
There.
Oh, yeah.
Get them off.
Good boy at this. Good boy at this.
You look like a lion.
That is where we have been staying, right there. Incredible. Did you like that pizza?
You want it?
Yeah.
Did you like that? Did you get any pizza on your face, Kai? Let me see. Did you get any pizza on your face? Oh no, no pizza. Good job. Clean. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I cannot wait to show you our next destination. We are headed to Moab, Utah, one of the most beautiful places I have ever seen on the planet.